Hello children. So now we are going to the end of this academic year. Okay, so you might have learned so many different drawing and craft. Now this is the last craft for your academic year. That is for the 4th standard. And in the next year you will be learning more in craft. So this time what you are going to learn is the crumpling art. Crumpling art means what? You have to crumple the paper and you have to do the artistic form. So today I am going to teach you the crumpling art. For that you need Fevicol and any type of kite paper. Any type. Any color. No, sorry. Any color you can use your kite paper. So here I am using 3 different colors of kite paper. That is green, yellow and light green. These are the 3 different colors I am going to use for the kite paper. You need one scale, pencil and scissor. This is a very simple thing. What you have to do? You have to take one drawing sheet. Plain drawing sheet you have to take it. Okay. In that you have to draw the border. And inside this you can draw whatever you want. You can draw some animals, you can draw some beautiful butterfly, you can draw flower, you can draw anything whatever you want, but it should be on the big form. You should not draw small, you have to draw big one. So from now I am going to draw a crocodile. Okay. Now I am going to draw a crocodile. Okay, you can draw anything what you want. It's a very simple. Crocodile is very simple. What is this crocodile? It is the amphibian animal. You got it. It is an amphibian animal. It lives both on land and water. Okay, it's a very simple animal. If you want, you can draw any animal whatever you like, or you can draw some rose, you can draw some vase, you can draw anything whatever you feel like. So here I have drawn a crocodile. See, it's a very smiling and it's very crazy to eat something and waiting for something, and it lives both on land and water. Here my drawing is ready. At the same time you have to draw one border line also with the scale. Okay, you can take out a scale and draw some border line. Now can you see this? Can you see crocodile? Yes, this is a beautiful crocodile, just smiling, waiting for some good prey. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to take some paper. You can take some paper of all different colors and make small pieces. Make small pieces like this and start crumpling it. Only you have to make the balls out of it. See here, I have made some balls. With your hands you have to cut it. Don't use a scissor. See here, you have to make some balls. I have made some green ball. That is a light green balls. Light green balls I have done it. Now you have to take the full sheet and then you have to start doing. I am showing only very little. It is because the time is very less for the video section. You have to take like this small pieces. Now I am taking yellow color. Yellow color is a crumpling art. So only you have to do with your hand. Now this is the green color. You can see some green colors crumple. And now I am going to make some yellow crumplings. You can use any color according to your design. My design is crocodile. So I have used this colors. If you are using some rose, if you are going to draw some rose, you can use rose color. If you are drawing some elephant, you can use grey color. If you are doing some butterfly, you can use different colors because the butterflies are very beautiful with different colored wings. Now I am taking the green color of dark color. Dark color wings are going on. See here, I am crumpling. You have to crumple it very nicely and don't make it loose. Make it tight. Make some beautiful balls out of this. Now you can see some different colors. That is the light green, yellow and dark green. This I have taken for the crocodile. Now what you have to do it is the crocodile is, now you take the crocodile and put some gum on it. You put slowly the gum. You just apply gum on it. And start pasting your colors. See here, you have to color it. You have to paste it. No need of pressing. Only you have to put little bit of light green, dark green. You can mismatch it and do it. Can you see here, children? Yes. Put some more gum, spread it nicely and then go on sticking the paper. That is the crumpled papers. You might have seen that always the body of the crocodile is very rough. It is not soft. So you can use all these colors. Now I have completed my crocodile. After completing, you have to do some decorations. What will be the decoration? Don't put chunky and all those things. You can put according to your drawings, according to your things you have to decorate. Mine is what it was. It was a crocodile. Where it will be? It will be on the land and water. So my crocodile is going for the search of prey. So I have made it with the beautiful, with the grass, little bit of a sky, clouds and all this I have made it. So here is the beautiful crocodile. See here. Zoom. See, I have painted here with the green color because it is on the land. And these are the sky with little bit of flying. What is this flying? Crows are flying above. Small butterflies you can see. And the crocodile is walking towards the water. Or it is going towards somewhere where it is going to get some prey out of it. So children, now see how beautiful is it is. Can you see? Yes. In this way you have to do with any of the animals. Birds you can use. You can use some birds also. You can use some butterflies and anything. Like that you have to do in the drawing sheet. And you have to submit when the teacher is asking for to submit. The date will be given. At that time you have to submit this sheet. Okay children, bye. Thank you. We will see you in the next year.